Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Aldwin!
Happy birthday!
Aldwin, happy birthday po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to our dearest brother in Christ and valued member of our church family. May your day filled with God's abundant joy and blessings. My one word is faithful, Kuya AJ. Matapat ka, faithful to God and to us. Your dedication inspired us. Again, happy birthday, Kuya AJ. God bless.
Guys, so it's already 1:54 and I'm at church. Sa CR ng church. So, today, I'm about to greet Kuya AJ. Happy birthday. So, hi Kuya AJ. Happy birthday. My one word is patient because lagi kang patient sa aming mga youth nyo na magturo. Lagi kayo nandyan para sa amin and hindi kayo nagsawa na maging patient and tulungan kami sa mga worship, and I'm really thankful for that. I hope you know that, and sana this birthday mo, I hope you enjoy and we have a surprise for you. So, happy birthday Kuya AJ. I hope you enjoy the day and I hope that your day will shine and sana makasama ka pa namin up until we grow older. So, happy birthday Kuya AJ. We are really thankful to God that God gave us someone who's patient to teach us our worship. So, thank you Kuya AJ and happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aldwin! I love you!
Happy birthday kay Aldwin. Ang one word ko sa'yo ay kuya kasi yung tinatama mo kami sa mga mali namin, yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hello, Kuya Alvin. I call you a leader because you are the more than a leader po sa amin. Kumbaga, ikaw yung nag-lead sa amin. At lalo na sa mga boys na ayusin yung mga buhay. Kumbaga, ikaw yung naging motivation namin sa life namin. At sa dami ng mga problema ng mga youth dito sa loob ng church. Kayong dalawa na tinika yung tinawag din namin lead because kayo yung humila sa amin pataas tuwing down na kami. Happy birthday po!
Hi Kuya Alvin, happiest birthday. God bless po sa'yo. Ang one word ko po para sa'yo ay multi-instrumentalist. Kasi po, marami kang instrumento na ma-master at kayang i-play, which is nakakamangha. Yun lang.
Natatay mo ako, wala siyang nandyan. Lagi siyang magkasipa, magpapatawa, nag-shorts, mag-encourage. Kapag nandyan siya or natatay ka or is nangangamusta siya.
Alam ko na magugustuhan niya to. Prophetic. Wow!
So, yung one word po na naisip ko para kay Kuya Alvin is lively. Kasi pag nakikita ko po siya, yung parang marami po siyang energy, maraming buhay, and
Kuya Alvin, thoughtful kasi pag-uwi ako dati ng JFC Imus.
Sasabihan niya ako yung ate niya na ako papunta doon sa gate.
Birthday! Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Birthday po.
Happy birthday, Aldwin!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Kay Kuya Alvin, happiest birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Alvin.
Happy birthday, Kuya Aldwin.